Facing the COVID-19 pandemic crisis, the government of China has taken the dynamic zero COVID-19 strategy. Chinese citizens are asked to use a phone application named HealthKit, which serves as a reference for assessing their fitness for going to work or entering public places. However, for the elderly who experience difficulties using or owning a mobile phone, they will not be able to use the application normally and have to stay home if not accompanied. The health kit and the prevention policy have caused great inconvenience to their lives. To solve the problem, we designed a new type of smart mask called Maskit, which is a new type of mask designed for the elderly. Besides the function of a normal medical-grade mask, Maskit also provides a easy-to-use alternative to the health kit, making the elderly daily travel routines much more convenient and at ease. Maskit mainly contains three key features. The first feature, a small display on the mask's surface, will illustrate the wearer's nucleic acid test results and the time taken, which provides the user the ability to show them quickly and enter public places. The second feature, a small NFC module, will record other Maskit wearer's ID in close range through cell phones and other Maskit products, offering an accurate way to trace the contact with COVID-infected people and take measures. The third feature, a small detection module inside Maskit, can analyze data in real time and inform the wearer whether they need treatment or quarantine through the display. Maskit is a simple and lightweight solution which uses renewable plastics and fibers to produce, being eco-friendly and sustainable to the environment. By combining the function of the mask with the pandemic prevention policy, not only will Maskit resolve the obstacles between the elderly and their cell phones, it will also contribute to controlling the pandemic virus and saving medical resources in the whole world. In our vision, Maskit will be an easy and feasible solution to the ongoing pandemic crisis.